And I would put Starbucks and McDonald's in a place where, defense is how people have played this market for the last 3 to 6 months. And actually, defense comes at a price. And guys certainly could be right if these guys guide headwinds on labor costs, which are right there for them, in terms of global expansion, which China is also a big part of their story. It's not as much as China. I think McDonald's also, if you look at the charts, you can make an argument there's a double top at 190. I think the issues with companies like these are they have been the ones investors have felt the most confident about for the last 6 to 9 months. I think if we look at what happened today, something like Caterpillar is just another indictment on global cyclicality. I actually think that these numbers from Caterpillar were not that bad. And when they guide somewhere around 12 and a quarter for next year, this is a stock that's trading at about 11 times earnings, maybe inside of that. And if you put a 14 multiple on this, which many people on the street have had no problem doing in the past, in less growth of an environment, you've got a $170 stock. I think you have to be very careful right now with some of these stocks that are getting thrown out the window.
It was the biggest quarterly miss. I agree with you. I don't think the numbers were that bad. When you read through it and you see that headline of it was the biggest quarterly miss since 2008, it gets everyone panicky. But when you read through the numbers, I don't think they were terrible on cap, but it makes it impossible to want to buy that space, that sector. It's now the 10th company or so that's warned.
And it's still even down this much as it was today. I wouldn't be surprised if there's more downside to come. It is not cheap.
It's interesting, though. You see the companies that are doing well in the tech, the semis that are doing well are companies like Lam Research, like the Xilinx, that are really focused on 5G. Now, NVDA, focused on other things along with Intel, makes you wonder, has the baton been passed? I still think those high flyers like Xilinx and Lam Research go higher from here, but think to Karen's point, NVIDIA, I think, still has some room to the downside.